How to copy contacts from Android to SIM. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now in my case, this is extremely simple, but the method that we are going to do today does not apply for all of the Android phones out there because there are a lot of Android phones, so some of the models doesn't have this feature. But in my case, I'll go ahead and demonstrate it to you on how to do it. Now, of course, first things first, you want to head over to your contacts right here. Once inside contacts, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the gear icon. In my case, it's at the top right corner of my screen. And once inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the import/export contacts. From here, you then have all of your Gmail accounts, and right below that you then have the option to the phone contacts, your SIM, and your storage. From here, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the export contacts, share all contacts, and it will now go ahead and export all of your files right here. But basically, if you want to go ahead and import your contacts, all you have to do is to go ahead and select on the phone contacts, and from here you want to copy that contacts into one of the choices right here, which is your Gmail account or onto your SIMs. In our case, let's go ahead and put our contacts into one of our SIMs. So I'll just go ahead and click on my SIM right here. And once inside, you can then go ahead and choose all of your contacts. If you want to go ahead and select them all, you can just go ahead and click on the check button and you should be good to go. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.